Hello and welcome to my channel, Crafting with me, Indiana Jones. Today I'm going into a new dimension, crafting in 3D printing. Let's see what I can do today. Let's go! Today's video is sponsored by AnkerMake M5C 3D printer, printing in a new dimension. I am a novice to 3D printing, so I was very surprised when AnkerMake reached out to me to add the AnkerMake M5C to my crafting room. Look at the assembly guide. It was so easy to put together. And I was so excited, but yes, I was, nervous as well because I had never done anything like this, but they made it so easy. They even included their own toolkit so that you don't have to look for anything once you open the box. It was so easy and simple that from building the machine itself to starting, it really only took maybe a few minutes, less than half an hour, if you can believe that. Yes, less than half an hour to get started in 3D printing and crafting designs. From the very beginning, I was so impressed with the quality of this product. I really had not experienced anything so well built, and I was just so surprised at how easy it was to put together. There really aren't that many parts, and it was simple enough for someone like me, who really is a novice to 3D printing, to put together this machine. And it's basically the pad, the gantry, and connecting a few of the wires, and that is it. So within 10 to 15 minutes, I was ready to get started and get crafty and creative with 3D printing. But before I did that, I wanted to test it out using what they call a Benchy. And the way I was able to do that was using their phone app. It's incredible. You have a phone app that you can print 3D and walk away and just keep checking to see at what status your printing is at. Can it possibly be that easy to print right away in a 3D printer? Yes, absolutely, because AnkerMake provides this wonderful phone app, as I mentioned before, because not only will it manage what it is that you're printing, but it also allows you to test out through and explore through their library of products and projects. So this is where I went to try my first time with 3D printing. And as you can see, there is the little benchmark, which is called Benchy, and it's this little ship. And it is so easy just to click and use that wonderful little project. And it is so easy to go through all the different projects and see what it is that you like and find something that applies to what you need. Maybe it's a little vase. And what's cool about this is not only can you select your project, but you can also see how long it will take for that project to be completed. It could be hours, it could be minutes, but you can watch the progress with your phone, just checking on it every so often. So again, don't be afraid to start in 3D printing just because you don't know how to design 3D prints. There are many free 3D printing designs out in the community that you can try for yourself. And then when you're ready, you can start designing your own wonderful ideas. During the setup of the machine, you have the opportunity to download the app and also to connect to your specific machine through a very easy QR code. It's so simple. Now, I wanted to show you, this is real time. This is actual time. Nothing in this video from beginning to end has been sped up, but look at how incredibly fast. Yes, I have edited cuts just to slow down or to show you the different phases of the process, but this little boat was created within 17 minutes. I have cut it back, but I have not sped up the time. So you can see how incredibly fast this 3D printer works. Now, because I'm a novice with 3D printers, I wasn't aware of how long actually printing can take, but apparently something like this might take twice as long, maybe even 3 times as long. And the fact that this 3D printer is not only so fast, accurate, and economical, any crafter can really afford to have 3D printing in their craft room moving forward. Look at this cute little boat. Imagine all the things you can design and create for yourself within your craft room. In this case, I found the files there are many 3D printing files that you can use that are free. And this one here is going to be a cute little Halloween cat cookie cutter. Yes, a cookie cutter. Who thought you could use 3D printing for a cookie cutter? What about something else for Halloween? Here I have my two kitties, which shows you how stable the machine is that the two of them were sitting there while I was creating this little cat earring for Halloween. If you feel more comfortable using your PC, well, AnkerMake also provides a PC version of their application. And as you can see, I can just download into the application whatever it is I'd like to print. And as I mentioned before, there's that little cat cookie cutout, which I found, which is perfect for Halloween and also a great gift to a friend of mine who has her own cookie business. This is so easy and so simple to get started on projects right away. I was just stunned, and I couldn't find an end to the ideas of what I can make with this. I have so many projects I have in mind. Now it's a matter of how I can apply it to the AnkerMake, because it just seems endless as to what you can create with the AnkerMake. As you know, I am preparing for Christmas by decorating an Alice in Wonderland themed Christmas tree. Now, isn't that perfect for the Red Queen's Christmas tree? So no more will I have to go out and find exactly what I'm looking for as far as ornaments are concerned. AnkerMake will allow me to have the power to create whatever kind of ornaments that I need that are specific to what I am looking for on my own. And this material is so easy to print and paint, so anything is possible. And again, you can see how fast it is to go from conception to printing. It's just fantastic. Here we go. We're going to start this new project. All I have to do is click print, and you can see it's going to take around 50 minutes. And once I hit print, then the machine starts, and all I have to do is sit and wait for it to be completed. And I am so impressed with the precision and the details that this printer is able to do in the speed that it does it in. Now, I don't know all the technical specifications as far as other 3D printer users or hobbyists, but I can tell you, as a novice, I couldn't think of an easier way to get started in the third dimension of crafting and printing. Although I'm a novice to 3D printers, I do know that they usually take a lot of time. That's why I'm so impressed with the speed and precision of the M5C. The AnkerMake M5C has a maximum speed of 500 millimeters per second. That is an incredible amount of speed. You can also customize how you operate with your AnkerMake M5C. With the click of just one button, you can make it reprint or print however it is that you need, and all you have to do is customize it using your phone app or even the computer app. You can also pause or stop the printer with just one click. For beginners, this is a wonderful product to have in your craft room. Again, I just found some free printing projects that I had for 3D printers, and look at the precision and the beauty of this 3D print. The AnkerMake M5C has truly a very unique feature. This is called precision mode. It's an innovation that allows you to choose the layer height. How is this possible? Through the change in nozzle size. When you're opting for a more precise printing, you opt for the 0.2 millimeter nozzle size, which allows for layer heights of less than a millimeter at 0.05 millimeters to 1 millimeter, whereas the 0.4 millimeter nozzle allows you to choose between 0.12 millimeter layer heights and 0.16 layer heights, whereas the 0.4 millimeter nozzle allows you to choose between 12 millimeter and 16 millimeter layer heights. Precision printing at high speeds is possible with the AnkerMake M5C. You can still reach speeds of up to 500 millimeters per second and accelerations of 5,000 millimeters per second squared in precision mode. Also fine-tuned are the slicing parameters to enhance the resolution of outer walls, resulting in improved surface smoothness and detail. To learn more about the AnkerMake M5C 3D printer, please visit their website. There's so much more I want to tell you. It is Bluetooth capable, and the pricing is amazing because it costs just as much as one of those cutting machines that we all have in our craft rooms. But what more can we make but going into the third dimension with 3D printing for our craft projects? So please check out the description below and find out more about the AnkerMake M5C 3 printer. Thank you once again to AnkerMake for sponsoring this video, and for each and every one of you for stopping by. As I always say, stay safe, be kind, God bless each and every one of you, and remember to live the adventure in all dimensions. I'll see you again very soon.